Now we're in the gear hobber section of Barber-Colman horizontal gear hobbers, the small ones, the 610s and number 3s. Barber-Colman 610 gear hobbers and number 3s. There's a ton of them in this auction, as you can see. All of them with arbor support and arbor nut. You know, this one has power down feed. Some of them have power down feed. There will be racks of change gears, as you see as we go along here. And Hobs, which you will start seeing more and more of as we proceed through the shop. Number 3s, more number 3s, another number 3 with a vertical. So in all, 2, 4, 6, 8, more than 10 round and sharp 610 and number 3 gear hobbers. Show the change gear rack right here. Change gear rack, and then there's another one. So what would a gear manufacturer be without gear hobs? The hobs themselves. We've got all sorts of really big, large hobs that'll fit the big G&E gear hobbers in this sale. The Barber-Colman 16, 16, 16, 36, and 14, 15s. We've divided out many lots of quality hobs. And even the smaller ones, cabinet after cabinet of smaller hobs that'll fit, cabinet after cabinet of smaller hobs. So now we hit the row of Barber-Colman gear hobbers, the horizontal hobbers that are a little larger. This is a Barber-Colman 1616 gear hob that has been retrofit with a PLC touchscreen control. It's got servo drives on the vertical and servo drives on the long feeds. Right here is a 1636 Barber-Colman horizontal gear hobber with a 3-jaw chuck. There's change gears throughout. It's another 1616. This one has differential. Here's a 1415 gear hobber with different cycle push button controls on it and hydraulics. This one here we would call a 1616 with multi-cycle controls. It has auto hob shift, it has differential, and the multi-cycle controls. From here on down we have 1616 and Type A Barber-Colman horizontal gear hobbers. Every once in a while you'll see one with differential, one with power down feed. As we wind through, that's the Barber-Colmans. There's change gears on this wall, opposite. Cabinets of all sorts of tooling, arbors, collets, more racks of change gears, and more down there, more change gears in boxes.